Hey guys, so before we proceed, let's look at the cat command. Cat is useful for outputting short text files. So let's say we want to output the curriculum.txt from the parent directory. We can just type cat, period, and then curriculum. So we can see that there. And cat is also used to type text into a file. The following command will allow you to type directly into the terminal to the helloworld.txt file. So let's try that. Cat greater than hello world.txt, and then we can type in some text here, and then to quit press Ctrl D. So what this is doing is it's creating a new text file called hello world, and then it's writing type in some text here and here to it. So we can see this by just typing cat. There you go. And to append instead of overwriting, we can use two greater than symbols. So let's say I wanted to just add to this hello world text file. So just add more there and then press Ctrl D. Now we can see the contents and we can see that it's been appended. Alright, so in the Unix world, there are three directions a text can go into. So there's standard in, which is the input into a program. There's standard out, which is the normal output, and there's standard error, which is the error messages that come out. So for standard in, let's look at this Java test program I created. So all this program does is it reads some words and then outputs them. We can run this program by typing the words ourselves. So we can do Java test, and then we can just type in some words ourselves. And all it does is output the strings that we inputted. So we can either input it this way, or we can create a file. So let's do that. So let's create a file called test input. And then we can type, hi, my name is Bobby. So now we can actually send this test input.txt into the Java program. So we can say Java test, and then we use this less than symbol, and then we type our test input. So as you can see, the Java program read whatever there was on there. Now when we run a program or command, the normal output will appear on the terminal. This is the standard out. To redirect it to a file, we use the greater than symbol. So let's try that. So let's try to print out the file names of our parent directory. So we can redirect that using this greater than symbol and then test output. And once we look inside, we can see all our text files from our parent directory. And remember, if you want to append, we use the two greater than symbols instead of one. And lastly, to redirect both standard error and standard out, we use the ampersand greater than symbol.